Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to download and install SSMS 20 version in Windows. Go to Google and type SSMS download and here you can open the link. As of now, you can see here 19.3 only. So if you here in the left hand side you can see download SSMS 20 preview. Now here now we can using this button we can download SSMS 20 preview one only. As of now this is in preview, it's not a stable version, so I recommend you to download and test in the test versions, not in the production servers. So I already downloaded totally. Here if you place the cursor here, see now in the file version you are able to see the 20 dot version. Okay, so right click on that, select run as administrator, and moreover if you go through that, um, moreover the 20 preview installation doesn't upgrade and like SSMS 19 point versions and below than that. So it is always recommended to go through this documentation to see what information it has been provided. Now this information will help us to install the SQL server in an unattended way. Okay, so if you uninstall, these are the shared components, and it is not going to uninstall that. Okay, and still in the 2020 version, like 20 version also, it's still 32-bit only. Okay, now you open here, click yes. Now click install. So we have successfully installed the SSMS. Now it is asking for restart. So now I'm just closing this window. Quiet. So now here we can open SSMS 20. Do not import settings. Yeah, we have successfully installed the SQL Server, and I'm saying that optional. Okay, just connect it. Yeah, sorry. We have successfully installed SSMS 20 version, and that is in preview, and we are also connected to the one of the instance. So I hope you may like this video. Thank you. Bye.